Sex is the same stuff that my great grandmother did, and my grandmother did, and my parents did.
I think you might have heard about this sex toys being banned on Snapdeals, right?
Yes.
And I think these things should be allowed.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubham Sonar and you're watching Indian Cabbie. So let's see what Punya has to say about sex education.
For starters, let me ask you something. What do you think about sex?
I just know one thing, that it is the best feeling I've ever heard from someone.
Heard from someone,
Yes.
okay. She changed it. I know she changed it. I definitely know she changed it.
Sex is the same stuff that my great grandmother did, and my grandmother did, and my parents did. There's nothing unique or new.
Exactly.
1.3 bloody billion people are in India, and all of them came the same way.
Porn film. It's a form of reproduction which a person enjoys actually, maybe.
Okay. Do you think sex education is important in a society?
I had sex education in a school,
Okay.
and it started with pictures of the sex organs.
Oh my
okay. No, pictures, diagrams. Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Diagrams. This is it. Oh. I don't think the mechanics are necessary anymore.
Because a person must be able to, carry on the reproduction, I would say.
So sex education, you is like
And also that
someone will teach you how to do it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So as per you, sex education is that. How old are you by the way?
17.
17.
I turned 17 this year.
Okay, so you definitely need a sex education.
yeah.
Because a lot of people are not aware about it. And when they do it,
Yeah.
they realize, oh my god, this was something wrong. And they
Yes.
regret it. So I think everyone should know about it. Like in their teenage first, It's not
Exactly.
something we should be like hiding.
Yes.
Because we all go through it, right?
Do Indian parents need to educate the kids about sex or shy away from it?
As a parent, no one tries to talk to
Yes.
their kid, and the kid starts exploring himself
Yes.
after an age when the puberty comes along.
I don't think they're capable of. But if I want to repair your two-wheeler, I got to get trained.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're not going to come to me.
Yes.
But if I got to produce a child, there is not even a talk of training at any stage of her education, either
Yes.
for the father or for the mother. Pop! Yeah, the baby. Now figure out what you have to do. So
Exactly.
parents are completely, I think, unprepared to teach.
Not only Indian parents, but the teachers
Yes.
should be in our education system.
Perfect.
Even if the parents are feeling awkward, they should have a way to learn about it,
Will you educate your child in the future?
Yeah, of course, I would.
It's also important that if the sex education in the school, then parents will know that my child knows about sex. Everybody looks at the other way
Yeah.
as if
When there's a
my
kissing scene in the
my
movie.
or if anything, my child knows nothing. If we don't talk about it, my child will go virgin pure.
As per you, like I don't know, do you know it or not? But what is the virginity losing age in today's generation?
20, I guess. 20,
20.
21.
These days, India
16.
is at 18.
18.
Yeah, 18. Well, like not all. 18
Yeah,
to
average.
20 is
Average.
a minimum age. Yeah.
Now I think it must be like 70.
Right now, 16.
My guess is about 15.
Somewhere
Okay,
close
for
to
girls.
it. Somewhere
girls.
close to it.
Maybe for boys is maybe even younger.
Do you think premarital sex is a taboo in our country?
It is a taboo. Yeah.
Yeah. And do you think is it right or wrong? to
It's
do?
wrong, obviously.
Premarital sex is wrong.
Yeah. No, I don't think it's wrong.
The taboo thing is wrong.
Taboo thing is
Yeah,
wrong.
taboo thing is wrong. Yeah, perfectly.
Of course.
It is, right?
Yeah, because my parents, when they come to know just about I'm hanging out with a
Relationship.
girl,
Yes. That's a problem.
they create an whole story in their mind what he must be doing.
That's
And
true.
I don't know about whether it is a taboo or not. I don't think that any college going student
Okay.
thinks that it's taboo.
Yes, definitely not.
So that's taboo is gone.
Yeah.
So people are talking about apps on the phone.
Yeah, the dating
one
apps
night
and everything.
stands and so on and so forth. So I don't think premarital sex is taboo.
Not okay. Actually, see, a relation is between a husband and wife should be pure.
Okay.
Like for me, if I'm having a sex,
Yes.
that's why I'm cheating with my future wife.
But not necessary. You don't know who the future wife is, right?
No, but same case go with the girl also.
Yeah. If she, suppose in case if she is not virgin, will you marry her?
Yeah, but see, it depends. Totally depends.
What do you know about orgasms?
Oh, so
Acha.
the thing is, a lot of people are not aware about it,
Yeah.
and they go
They don't know when it happened.
and they don't know about it. Like there is a thing called orgasm.
Something awkward now.
Something awkward. Let's
I think
make
the
it a bit
question
awkward.
was just about sex education, right?
Yeah, like the flow goes over there. We are educating the kids also. What is orgasm?
Don't watch this.
It's a good feeling.
So like, what kind of a good feeling? I don't know.
It gives you, the stress relief.
Oh, stress relief. So you do it, right?
Yeah, sure.
This
Yeah.
leads to my next question. You must be knowing about girls faking their orgasms.
Yeah.
So
They
what is
wanna
your take
please
on
other
that?
person, and they like they
Why do girls do it basically? You must be wondering why. Or do you know it?
Yeah, because देखो, it's a man-dominating society.
Okay.
We have to accept it. So if you tell a guy, maybe, मतलब, as far as I can say, I have many friends, ठीक है, male friends.
Yeah.
They take it on ego. If some girl says, okay, you are not satisfying enough
Yeah,
for
yeah,
me, they obviously gonna take it on ego instead of thinking might be I'm doing something wrong, or
Yes,
if there is some techniques or something I don't know. They'll take it on ego. Ki, what the fuck? I can't satisfy you. Are you a slut or something?
If a 20-year-old girl would date a 40-year-old guy, she'll of course fake it.
so at times they fake it because they don't wanna like offend the other person, like you're not good enough or something.
Yes,
That's
yes.
why.
Exactly,
Just wanna please them, you know.
Yeah. Can watching porn be a source of sex education?
No.
No? Like can it lead
It's
to
a
like
negative. It's a negative.
Yes, yes.
According to me.
Definitely it's a negative thing. And can it lead to unreal notion amongst kids? Like
Yes.
very unrealistic thing.
Yes.
Somewhat.
That is a way of the kids these days explore themselves.
No?
Not exactly. Like the people who don't get the sex education, they go for it. But if we'll know about it,
Yes.
I came to know about porn when I was in college, first
Okay.
year. I had no idea about sex and all. So that's the thing. We should know about it.
Porn also gives a very wrong impression if you
Exactly.
see in a general concept,
Yeah.
because they'll
It's
show you.
completely unrealistic
Haan,
thing.
literally they'll show you big boobs and everything, which is not a must for a girl.
Yes.
It's about their biological hormonal change, whether they get in or
Yeah.
everyone is perfect in their own form.
And people expect other things
People
like
expect
that, you
actually
know.
that a girl
Yes.
should have a bigger boobs, tight ass, or something like this bullshit.
Yeah. And like if kids watch, like the younger generation who don't know anything about it, they'll start expecting such things like
Exactly.
if we meet someone on the
Yeah.
road, we can have sex with them.
They're
Yeah,
disappointed. first of
Yeah,
all,
exactly. And if they will go to a person and if she says no, they will get disappointed and it leads to some other things like rape and everything.
Exactly.
Some shit.
The last time the government tried to stop it, and I remember watching the news, Barkha Dutt and gang, and this is what they said.
What?
This is how Indians get their sex education through porn. So government shouldn't stop it.
But that's
And
not
I
the
couldn't
right
believe,
source.
I couldn't believe. No, but this is what's happened on national TV.
Oh my god. I didn't know
And
about
we're talking people like Barkha Dutt, etc., who are responsible journalists.
Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. It was nice actually.
Yeah, the thing which I would like to mention
Yeah,
is
sure.
like the cases which we hear about rape and other stuff, right?
Yeah,
Like I think you might have heard about this sex toys being banned on
Yes,
Snapdeals,
yes, yes,
right?
yes,
And I think these things should be allowed. so
Yeah,
that-
exactly.
In
Yeah.
India, because obviously if
Why the hell is this banned?
because
I don't even
puberty,
know.
Yeah, that's so
puberty
funny,
is a
right?
hormonal change. You can't stop it, and it means you are ready for the reproduction if the puberty hits you.
Yeah.
So obviously, if you are not
If you're
doing,
having sex, what's wrong with sex
But the
toys?
thing is, everybody has it. That's why we are here, right?
Yeah.
Stop! Don't close the video. I have one last message to give. I know this topic is a bit sensitive, but at the same time, it is very important to be paid attention to. So I request you guys to please share this video as much as possible so that right people can see it and they can take necessary actions regarding it. And as always, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Like why should I touch her?
I don't know.
Why?
Are you pervert?
Why would I do that?
You pervert?